package.
Fitness package! Fitness package! Get the fitness package. Nako. Open. Open the fitness package.
I wonder what.
After this, ready, Tita Marietta. So, fitness package is... Dan, 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 dan. Fitness package! Okay! Ano pa? Ano pang laban? What else is there? Dan, 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 dan. Okay! Toilet bowl cleaner! Fitness package. And last is... Okay, glove. Very important. Congratulations! Yes! Next! Tita Marietta and Tita Kim. Apartment team. What did you get, ladies? Oh, skincare package. Skincare. Open. Show us your skincare package. Okay. Anong meron? Lubod at saka mask and soap. Okay, congratulations. Skincare. Next, David family. David. Tito Jason.
Is one of the masks like that? The paper?
What did
Is
you
one of the
get?
masks the paper?
Whitening package.
Whitening package. Whitening package. Congratulations. What did you get? Show us. Alright. Whitening nga. Pang-whitening nga yan. Congratulations. Next. We'll have Tita Christine. Family. Bunot-bunot. What did you get dito? O primo? Oh, trip to Korea! Wow! Sana all! Can you show us what is your trip to Korea package? Trip to Korea! Wait, for K-pop. What did you get dito? Yay! Okay, we get kimchi and udang. Okay, congratulations. Next is Ramos family. Ramos family. Ate Brianna. Oh, Starbucks! Wow! Starbucks package! Congratulations! Show us the Starbucks package! What did you get? Okay! Malunggay coffee mix and Starbucks package! Congratulations! Next, we have Rosie! Rosie, on behalf of Jocelyn, she wants to request you. She thinks you're lucky, so you pick up for her. we like that. Dragon Tiger. What's that?
Tiger Bomb.
Tiger Bomb. Tiger Bomb. Okay. Congratulations. Next.
Casey. Casey.
Yukaban family.
Casey.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 left here. Travel package. Oh, because you always travel, right? Oh, what was the travel package? Wipes. Toilet seat cover. And for the soap and travel kit. Congratulations. Next, Ruado. Ruado. We still have brand new PC. Brand new PC. What is it? Oh, ano yan? Birthday package. Birthday package. Hindi ko nakalitan niya. Well, because it's a birthday package. Okay. Spaghetti for birthday and pizza. Okay, congrats. Next, Leonor. Leonor family. Family hindi ko na-mention. Ay, okay. Okay. Ha? They're none. They're the third one. Yeah. It's okay. We'll just say for Ate Janet first. Okay, what did you get, Lara? Hair salon, Tito Glenn. Tito Glenn, it's a hair salon. Yeah. Okay lang, because it's all girls. The girls can use it. Okay. Shampoo and conditioner. Congratulations. Next is Yang. Huwag ka na lang sa lingga, and then after that, we leave the rest to her. Ato. Kitchen package. Okay, dish soap and dish rag. Congratulations. So the rest, they're not here anymore. They left already. Okay. Ati Janet. May isa pa na extra nakatid. Well, actually, that is a fake raffle. That's not the real raffle. The real raffle is inside the room. So can I ask the guys to bring out the real raffle, come out here outside? All the baskets there. And while they're doing that, we are going to give the prize for the best dress, best costume family. I asked Tita Janet a while ago to choose before she left who is the family that has the best costume. And this is again sponsored by Cook. It's $100 check. And this prize award goes to drum roll. Okay, picture, pagkagabi. We'll go this side. Next, get ready, Tita Marietta. Wow. This grocery package. Congratulations. Next. The ladies. Oh, rice now. Dapat siguro yung rice. Rice is rice. Oh, grocery din. Wow. Wait, the picture na sila. I want to take picture first. Kunin nyo naman sigas nyo. This grocery package is again rice with groceries. Okay, next, the meat family. There. Okay. Oh, you go first for picture.
Show the rice.
Okay, the meat family, laundry business. Ay, may hammer. Okay, congratulations. Maglalaban na. Ay, next, Tita Christine, next. Congratulations. Okay. Oh, may dalawa pa tayo ng bigas. There's two more right. Noche Buena Okay, one. Noche Buena package. Picture. Oh, yeah. Yay, primo, yay. Picture, primo. Next is the David family. Ramos, sorry. Ramos family. Ramos family. What did you get? Household package. There you go. Just choose one basket. Picture Tita Joy. Tita Bernardo. Household package. Congratulations. Next, Tita Janet. Congratulations. Next, Tita Janet. Bye, Rosie. Merry Christmas. Laundry business. Laundry business. Yes, may libon. Laundry business. Congratulations. Janet. Next, get ready, Tita Jocelyn. Get ready, Tita Jo. Your turn. Bye. Ate Jo, where are you? Household package. Yan yung light and seal. Congratulations. Trust family, you're next. Parang punta kayo ng merkado. Punta kayo ng market eh. Smile! Yay! Oh, trust! Rice. What did you get? Household! Congratulations! There's plenty of surprises there. Pretend.
Okay, game na yun.